Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this duochrome look that you see on my eyes right now. I know it's weird seeing me with the whole makeup look before the video, but I promise it's for a reason. And if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. See you guys in like 2.5 seconds. Well, hi guys, welcome back. I like you, so welcome back. It's pretty weird because I have my face on and not everything else. It's because I did something else, like another video before this on a first impressions on a foundation. It is probably up by now, so go watch that video. I forgot to do my brows. Wow, what an amazing YouTuber. I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder, as you know, because that's the only thing that I use. So guys, I really like my new microphone. I am very excited to use it. I don't know if my excitement shows through camera, but I am really excited to use it. And if you didn't know, I literally stapled the background to my wall. I really want to try more brow products because I've been using this brow product for so long. I want something that could give me light brows because look at these caterpillars. I don't need them to be dark. I need them to be light. So for this duochrome eye look, we are going to use a number of different eyeshadow palettes. I don't have all of the colors that I want to use in one palette, so we're going to use multiple palettes. For the first palette we're going to use this Naked color right here from the Naked 2 palette. This is my Naked 2 palette. It's in a little Z palette, and I'm going to take it and use this to lay as a base for my eyeshadow, so no skippage. It's like really hot in this room, and if you saw my last video, I'm literally wearing a long sleeve. Maybe one day I'll learn, but apparently not today. So now that we're done setting our eyes, we are going to use the BH Cosmetic Warm Stone palette. I think you knew this was coming because I really like this palette. And I'm going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going to take this on a fluffy brush and then I'm going to place it on the crease of my brow. It looks a little crazy now, but I promise it'll get better, just like everything else in life. This shadow is almost hitting pan and I'm just like, wow, I really like it that much. It's kind of like a terracotta color, but kind of not like a Sierra color. If that's even a color, I think that's just a word. I wanted to put a little bit of the same color on the bottom lash line, so I'm just going to flip the brush and place it on my bottom lash line. So now that we have the eyes with the transition color, here comes the star of the show, the brownish bluish duochrome burgundy color. This is in the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette and it's right here. I think you could see like the shift that it has. And with this flat brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to take the brownish reddish bluish color that we have right here from the Wet n Wild palette. And we're going to place it from the inner corner to the middle of our eyes because I don't think it would look nice if it had the color on the edge of the eye. We'll first try to place the eyeshadow from the inner corner of the eye all the way to the middle part of the eye. I ended up putting it all over the eyelid because I saw that the shape of the eye makes it good for the shift to happen. And with the same brush we used for our transition color, we are going to blend out the color just so that it could look seamless. I really don't want to do anything else to the eye, but I do want to try something. I want to take this definer color right here. It looks burgundy in the pan, but when you swatch it, it actually looks brownish. And I want to do a wing with eyeshadow. It's subtle, but like you could still see it, so I really like it. For our brow highlight and our inner corner highlight, we are going to go back to the BH Cosmetics Warm Stone palette and use our second favorite color. It is this one. It is like snow. It's like everything. They should call it snow. And we're going to put it on the inner corner of our eyes. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera to rid you of your time, and I'll come back to finish up the look. I really love the way my eyes look, but I feel like it's just missing something. I am going to use this color right here from the BH Cosmetics Warm palette. So I'm going to place this really close to the lash line so that it could just blend everything together. We're almost done with the eyes, look at that, but the only thing that we have to put on is our mascara. I don't put on fake eyelashes, so I feel like I need a few coats of this, so that is what I'm going to do. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It's the only mascara that I have, so it'll do. So that is the finished eye look, and the only thing we have to do is put on highlighter and a lip product. That's it. I'm not gonna keep you here for much longer. It looks like I have highlighter on, but that is just the Cover FX liquid highlighter drops in Moonlight. But we're gonna be more extra today because we're going to use the sleek highlighting palette in Soulless, and we're going to take our favorite shade right here, and we're going to tap it a little and swipe it on our cheeks. Not so much because then we'll drown in it or something. For the lips, I took out these two lip liners. The first one is the Jordana Easy Liner in Rock and Rose. I really love this color. My sister sold it for me one time. And this is the Milani lip liner in 04, I think Nude, because there's literally no writing on this. And we're going to do the Milani lip liner a little bit on top. So guys, you have made it to the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me throughout this video because no one ever does. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a million thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so by hitting the red button. And if you want to get post notifications, please hit the bell button so you could get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on Twitter and Instagram. I'm on Facebook too, but that's like 12-year-old me and I don't think you want to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.